Welcome to our guide on how to disable emails about feature update news on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the options available. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can manage your account preferences. Within the settings, locate and click on Email Notifications. Look for the section labeled Updates from Twitter, and uncheck the box next to News about Twitter product and feature updates. Once you've made this adjustment, don't forget to click on Save Changes to ensure that your new email notification settings are applied. By following these steps, you can easily customize your email preferences on Twitter, ensuring that you only receive the notifications that matter most to you. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide was helpful in assisting you with managing your email notifications on Twitter. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials.